name is Victoria, and I'm shooting this video because 2 years ago, I started taking Restore Daily and Iodine to replace my prenatal vitamins. Since then, I've been taking it every single day. Since then, I also added in the Gut Bootcamp, which is the Fungal Detox, the Microbiome Support, and the Probiotics, because I recently took antibiotic, and taking this has been able to help restore my gut back and get all the good bacteria back into it. And I would definitely recommend it because the quality in these products are amazing. I trust Dr. Tennant's products because I know they're super high quality ingredients. The number one benefit I've experienced as a result of using the products is higher energy and no crashes during the middle of the day. I knew that Dr. Tennant's products were right for me when they completely resolved my gut issues and my bloating and helped me always have a flat stomach. So I used Restore and Iodine, and then I just started the Gut Bootcamp like a couple weeks ago. What surprised me the most about using the probiotics is they didn't hurt my stomach. So in the past, any probiotics I would take would always give me really bad stomach pains, but these felt really good quality, and I'm able to take them daily without any pain. The customer experience has been great. The shipping is really quick. You always get a tracking number really quickly, and it usually comes within a couple days. And if I do have any questions, I always email or call, and it's always a real person talking. So it's great getting really fast answers on that. I would recommend the Restore definitely to anyone, especially if you're pregnant or nursing. I feel like your body really gets depleted of nutrients. And I actually use this to replace a prenatal because I felt like it was way better ingredients. And I was able to avoid a lot of the common symptoms like hair loss, low energy, fatigue, and fight that with these Restore products.